5 things I would tell my 17-year-old self. Let me break one myth about growing up in a business family. So I was born and brought up in a very traditional business family. बचपन से घर में बिजनेस की बातें unfamiliar नहीं थी. Risk, money expansion, people decision, all of these words were familiar. शादी के बाद भी I was a part of another business family. So the business world has never been alien to me. But honestly, people misunderstand this a lot. They think अगर आप business family से हो तो business automatically समझ आ जाता है कि रिस्क लेना easy हो जाता है, कि आपको पता होता है कि कौन सा आइडिया बिजनेस बन सकता है. But it doesn't work like that. बिजनेस को देखना और अपना कुछ बिल्ड करना दोनों बिल्कुल अलग चीजें हैं. आई रिमेम्बर जब मैं अपने खुद के आइडिया पे काम करना स्टार्ट कर रही थी तो पहली बार मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि फैमिली बैकग्राउंड आपको एक्सपोजर दे सकता है पर इनर करेज नहीं. बिकॉज पीपल may know where you come from, but your work will ultimately decide what they remember you for. So these are 5 things that I will tell my 17-year-old self. Business family में born होना advantage है, qualification नहीं. First thing I would tell her is this: जिस background में you were born, उसकी values समझो, but उससे अपनी capability मत बनाओ. Business family में grow करने का एक benefit है. आप early age पे समझ जाते हो that money is not just a tool to spend. Money एक responsibility है. रेप्यूटेशन असली एसेट है. ट्रस्ट एक दिन में नहीं बनता और बिजनेस डिसीजन का इम्पैक्ट सिर्फ ओनर पे नहीं, उसके एम्प्लॉइज, कस्टमर्स और फैमिलीज पर भी होता है. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन वर्क एंड आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग माय ओन डिसीजंस, तब मुझे समझ आया कि ऑब्जर्वेशन और ओनरशिप में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. किसी और को रिस्क लेते देख इजी होता है, खुद का रिस्क लेना डिफरेंट होता है. किसी और के डिसीजंस पे ओपिनियन देना इजी है, खुद डिसीजन लेना और फिर उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस कैरी करना, दैट चेंजेस यू. जिम कॉलिंस ने गुड टू ग्रेट में एक बहुत पावरफुल आइडिया दिया है. फर्स्ट हु देन व्हाट. पहले राइट पीपल फिर डायरेक्शन. मुझे ये लाइन बिजनेस में बार बार रियल लगती है बिकॉज आइडिया स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सकते हैं, मार्केट अच्छी लग सकती है, बट अगर लोग ठीक नहीं है तो आपकी एग्जीक्यूशन वीक हो जाती है. So I would tell my 17-year-old self, be grateful for exposure, but don't confuse exposure with expertise. The second thing I would tell her is comfort को stability मत समझना. Business families में एक danger होता है. आपको systems already visible होते हैं. People maybe already know your family, rooms are accessible to you. Conversations open हो जाती हैं and slowly comfort normal लगने लगता है. But growth comfort में नहीं आती. मुझे ये लेसन बार बार मिला. When I entered logistics skilling, it was not glamorous work. It was not a fancy consumer brand जहाँ सब कुछ aesthetically pleasant लगे. It was all about the trucks, हमारे warehouses, routes, drivers, trainers, employment operations and most of all discipline. And honestly इसी space में मुझे business की सबसे ज़्यादा real learning मिली. A truck driver taught me about communication. My female learners taught me about courage. A first generation student taught me about aspiration. मेरे center manager ने मुझे actually सिखाया कि local leadership क्या होती है. A failed process taught me humility and delayed outcomes taught me patience. Business schools में आप case studies पढ़ते हो. I've studied the OPM at Harvard Business School. But ground पे आप human beings को समझते हो and that is very different education. At 39, when most people settle back into their own rhythm, I decided to invest in myself and go back into learning. It was not easy. बच्चे, the home, work, business, travel, deadlines, guilt, ambition, सब कुछ was happening together. But I needed to say no to the comfort of I already know enough. Harvard में मेरी सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग ये नहीं थी कि मुझे कुछ आंसर्स मिले. इनफैक्ट द हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल केस स्टडी मेथड का कोर आइडिया ये है कि स्टूडेंट्स को डिसीजन मेकर की सीट पर रखा जाता है विद रियल वर्ल्ड कंस्ट्रेंट्स एंड इनकम्प्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन. लीडरशिप में भी एग्जैक्टली वही होता है. आपके पास फुल इंफॉर्मेशन कभी नहीं होती, फिर भी डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है एंड दैट वाज पावरफुल फॉर मी बिकॉज बिजनेस में अनसर्टेनिटी एक्सेप्शन नहीं होती है. It is your daily reality. So I would tell my younger self, do not become loyal to your comfort zone. Every few years, put yourself in a room where you're not the smartest person. The third thing that I would tell my 17-year-old self, काफी personal है. Build because the work matters, not because you want to prove yourself. When you come from a business family, people assumptions बना लेते हैं. Some people assume because it must be easy. Some assume access means capability. Some assume कि आपने struggle नहीं की. कुछ और struggle करते हैं that whatever you build is because ecosystem already था. And honestly, sometimes these assumptions really hurt. And there's an urge that I want to prove myself. I want people to know that I have my own mind, my own work ethic, my own clarity, my own contribution. But proving is very tiring. So I would really tell my 17-year-old Divya that don't fight your background, don't hide it, don't apologize for it, but don't let your ambition become a reaction to people's assumption. Fourth thing that I would tell 17-year-old Divya is that before you learn how to scale, learn people. At 17, हमें लगता है कि business means money, expansion, strategy, product, brand, and of course, all of that matters. But after years of building, I can say this very clearly. Most business problems are people problem, wearing different clothes. One wrong person can slow a very good idea. An unclear team can weaken a strong strategy. A careless leader can destroy years and years of trust. In our vocational training and skilling work, I saw this every day. Curriculum mattered, लेकिन the trainer mattered more. Infrastructure का बहुत value था, but वो center की leadership mattered more. Partnerships were important, but the trust was more relevant. Systems matter, but the people who are actually using those systems mattered the most. That's why I believe business is finally a people's game. If you cannot read people, you will lose time. And finally, the fifth thing I would tell 17-year-old Divya is that success ke pehle judgment build karo. After years in business, you realize कि visible success without judgment बहुत fragile है. आप wrong opportunity को growth समझ लेते हो, गलत investor को validation समझ लेते हो, गलत client को revenue समझ लेते हो, wrong speed को progress समझ लेते हो, wrong person को एक asset समझ लेते हो, and all of these mistakes are very, very expensive mistakes. But mistakes are not the problem. Unreviewed mistakes are the problem. Judgment sharp तब होती है जब आप honestly पूछ सकते हो, did I ignore a red flag? Did I say yes because it just looked impressive, but मैंने अपनी research नहीं की? Did I delay something because I was scared? Yeah, did I overcommit because I wanted to please someone? Or did I confuse a good person with the right person for this role? These questions are uncomfortable, but they mature you. So honestly, I would tell my 17-year-old self that don't be in a hurry to look successful. Be in a hurry to become discerning. Your background matters. And I honestly will not pretend that it doesn't. But there are other things that matter more. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope there are lessons that you've learned in this video that you can implement in your life. Let me know in the comments below what you think, what you felt, what emotions it brought up in you, and what are the things you take for granted, and what is it something that you feel guilty about. The digital universe is really large, and agar aap meko follow nahi karoge, chances are we will not find each other again. So please, please, please do subscribe to me, and look forward to you in my next episode soon. I've done some other episodes on business, so please watch those and let me know what you thought.